What remains now is the value of the land. So now, your prudence dictates that whatever is left of the value of the land, net of depreciation of the building, you divide that as against the area of the land. And you come up more or less with the indicated price of the land. So that is an analysis, again, not appraiser. Kasi we are really put in a situation, knowing situation actually. So we really have to initiate our creativity on how to value things. Kaya dyan sa Dasmariñas Wharf, they would say, okay, in Forts Park, what is the latest sale doon? No? There is a house and lot on a 2,000 square meter lot. No, it was sold at 175 million house and lot. And there is one being advertised, being sold at about 110 million. Napakalaki ang disparity. So ikaw na appraisers, you have to analyze it carefully. Maybe the value of 175 million larger in lot, o mas maganda yung building. At karamihan dyan, puro